is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, first things first, what we're going to be doing is installing some custom ZPG carpets for the Toyota Crown. We have just unboxed the new mat and I gotta say it came out better than I expected. We got the full set for the Toyota Crown. So we got the dash mat, we got the boot mat, and we got all 5 floor mats as well. So shout out to Saiko Customs. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. But yeah, if you come up close, oof, we got the custom ZPG logo on it as well. Check that out. It's gonna make the car look 100 times way better. And it's gonna feel like my own Crown as well. I mean, even though it is, so that doesn't make sense, but yeah. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna install the dash mat right here. Oof, make it look 100 times way better. Chuck it in. Alright, we just finished installing the carpets and I gotta say it's looking 100 times way better. What the hell? Like, who knew just a simple custom carpet can change the whole look of the interior? So here it is. Here is the boot. Look how clean it is. Oof, 100 times way better. Custom ZPG logo with the katakana in ZPG as well. Got the full floor mats on the back as well, ZPG. And even the middle one as well. I was surprised because yeah, I didn't know they were going to do the middle one, but I guess it was a bonus. Come up to the driver and passenger side, and ooh, right there as well. And then right here, the dash mat, ooh, 100 times way better. And if you come down here as well, it's like basically like all-in fitment on all 5 carpets, like basically replacement with new Saiko Custom ones. We get to ride in the Golf today, huh?
Yeah, bro. Luxury lifestyle, you know?
Luxury.
Oh, you're used to it. You got a Crown, bro.
No, this is better than the Crown. They're 100 times way better.
Nah, I reckon the Crown looks way better, bro.
Oh, see, this guy humble,
bro. See, where you gonna put your drinks and burgers, bro?
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah, bro. Look.
Nah, this is for the sandy card. You can put the sandy.
Put the sandy there, bro. Yeah. I'm telling you guys, this guy is humble out here. But look at this. Man's out here having a Hugo Boss garage control. What the hell? Look at that. Wait, who's GC8? Wait, so if you guys didn't know, wait, this GC8 and this S14 was sprayed by who?
Ton Auto Body.
Ton Auto Body.
I'm not telling you, that's my guy.
That is his guy. Hit him up. Oh, look at the immaculate paint job on it. Bro, you can't go wrong with Ton Auto Body, huh? Wow.
If you're watching this, I need to drop off my front bumper. Oh, and hack spoiler.
Yeah, I don't know what's happening, you know. We just got milk tea, you know. We switched cars with Hayden because Norrie had to go somewhere, do some, you know, business. But yeah, right now, yeah, I think we're just gonna go Beach Road. We're gonna go Aspendale or something. You know, we're just peaking anyways. Last week of daylight savings, yeah.
Yeah,
it's gonna be sad, bro. It's gonna be sad, like, bro. Midwinter, 5:30. It's gonna be dark.
But night cruises though.
Yeah, it's
Like
different. Bro, the turbine is gonna spool better as well. Oh yeah. Yo! Hey, must be nice like we had GDI, yeah? Shush! R33. Yeah, brother doing well. If you're watching this, yeah. I don't know. Oh, made it to the beach, boys. Let's go. Hey, another scrape like last week. Ooh, that's nasty. You nasty. Oh, made it down here. Let's go. Anyways, yeah, we just got to the beach. We might get a few cinematics. So right here we got S14, S15. We got Vuz Rexy. Hey, Man said we should move the cars there, get some cinematics. Should we?
Yeah,
I
guess
bet.
so.
Wait, man made me wait, bro. Come here.
What happened? Yo, was that from you?
Yeah.
Bro, oh, his S chassis made you wet?
Yeah, bro. Fuck.
Wait, but what happened there?
Huh?
What happened here?
I don't know.
Wait, how's the view from up here, huh?
I don't know, you let us know.
Yeah, it's fucking brilliant up here. Oh, got the two S chassis, not bad, clean. Look at the view.
Look at that boomba. Oh,
Yo, what the fuck is up, YouTube? Today we got my mates S15 and S14. So what we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be fucking spinning some tires, I tell you. We're gonna fucking spin them well true blue style right here. Which one?
Nah, you're going so good.
Wait, but which one do you guys prefer? S15 or S14? Both cleanly clapped. You let us know in the comments down below of what you guys think.
Hey, can you get an S shake, bruh?
Yeah. Ashay, bruh!
Like a light. Hey, like a. What the fuck?
Couldn't see this. Beanie, what the fuck? I can't do this shit no more! Oh, sorry.